Guys, welcome to my channel. It is just a very quick intro today because I'm running a little bit late for work. I'm working for a new company today, a company in Glossop called NEP. Really good company to work for. I've worked with them before, so I'm going to vlog as much as I can today. It's going to be a long day. But guys, do me a favour. If you watch my videos and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and it'd help me out a hell of a lot. And if you do watch my videos and you are subscribed, please maybe leave a like. Again, it'd help me out. But also, if you want to leave a message, I read every single one of the messages, and I endeavour to try and reply to as many people as possible. But guys, listen, I'm sorry for the quick intro. I've got to crack on. I will see you guys at the depot. Morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. And let me just put this up. They're unknown to hear me. As you can probably tell, I'm in a completely different truck. I'm working for the other agency I work for, and I'm working for a company called NEP, which is just down the road from me. And the best thing about it is they don't mind me vlogging at all. They've seen my videos, they know everything's, you know, there's nothing detrimental. I'm not going to slag anybody off, nothing like that. It's all positive. Whereas there's a story behind this. I had a phone call, not yesterday, the day before, from the managers at Argos. I had got permission to film, but people at the very top, the very big bosses apparently, have said, no, I can't film anymore. Which is a shame, because, you know, I don't put anybody in a bad light. If anything, I'd probably promote the business and show, actually, you know, lorry driving is not that bad. It can be a little bit boring. But when it's weather like this, look at that. It's beautiful. It is a really nice job to do. You're on the road and it's just a really nice job. As in sort of like the peace and quiet. As long as you do the job and you're safe, I enjoy it. You've got nobody screaming at you, looking over your shoulder, telling you what to do. You know, just do your job, be safe, and you'll be fine. So I actually really like lorry driving. But Argos said no. There will be no more vlogs from Argos, I'm afraid. It is what it is. Yeah, thanks boys. Apparently I keep saying, well actually I know I keep saying it is what it is, and I can't get it out of my head. I keep saying it, and I think the boys, my mates, are picking up on it. They're starting to take the piss a little, take the mick a little bit. But anyway, doesn't matter. I'm working for a company called NEP. Anyway, right, divulging again, digressing. Digressing. Right, we're going to go, we're going to around the Cheshire area, so we're going to go to Ellesmere Port. So I'm going to vlog it for you guys. I'm going to try and do a bit of a longer one today. I'm going to try and sort of stretch it out a bit longer than 10 minutes, because I'm pretty sure I can. I just need to keep it interesting for you guys, and hopefully I can do that. But anyway guys, take a look at what's coming on in today's vlog. Coffee, and they're not the best. Truck's falling apart. Do you want to put that at the very back, so that then that one's over the axle? No, that one. He's going to put another one next to it, are we? Yeah. So do you want to put that one, put it at the very back? Yeah. You know, if it's heavy, it's better on the axle than... Yeah. Can we just move them straps out of the way? Yeah. Right guys, that's as that is us all loaded up and ready to go. And I'm looking forward to today. When the other truck vlogs I've done, I've been working for Argos, and it's just basically the same thing over and over again. Going to a stall, taking cages off, putting cages on. You know, there's only so much you can do with that. But the smaller companies, they go to different locations, they meet different people, you see a different side of life. Much more interesting in my opinion. I'm just hoping this is going to reach. This is the charging cable. Don't think it is. But yes, multi-drop today, and we're going to quite a few places. Bradbury, Stockport. Then I think we're going over to Ellesmere Port, I believe. Yeah, we've got one in Ellesmere Port. So, yeah, it's going to be a busy day. Hopefully get it all. I brought my charger with me, so hopefully the battery's not going to run out of charge today. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We're going to wait and see. But I've got to stop saying this. I can't help it. It is what it is. That's better. And now I can put my charger into my GoPro as I'm driving, and it ain't going to run out of battery. Okay, right, let's get this show on the road. Yes, good mood today, positive. I'm gonna get this out to you. Guys tomorrow. It is now Thursday. I'm setting myself a deadline. If I've got a vlog together, I'm gonna get it out for you guys at least once a week, hopefully twice, but at least once a week. So let's get going. Yeah. Oh no, just seeing where it was. So it's just here. So you want it here, yeah? You want the truck here?
Oh, hang on a sec. Yeah, it needs to go like here.
That's what I said.
Yes, yeah. Otherwise, anywhere else it just gets stuck.
Okay. up, mate. Wait there, this side, look. Need to come up. Hang on. Don't move. Right, so you need to go down.
So an angle as well, isn't it?
Yeah, so you need to go down. Keep going, mate. Keep going. Keep going down. That's it. You got it. Right guys, that's the first location done. And the one thing that I actually really enjoy about day work, sort of just normal companies, is going around meeting different people, different locations. You know, everybody have got their own character, and some people are nice and some people aren't. Comes with the job, but it's nice when you meet genuinely nice people like that. To that end, me and my sayings, it is what it is. To that end, right, we're going on the next one. So, see you guys soon. Okay, so what's your name? Just put on the
Mac, M-A-C-K.
M-A-C-K. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I'm sorry, but some people are just absolute a-holes. But there's a guy in here before me. He's only in a 7.5 tonner, so it wasn't that big. Not a big wagon. And because I pulled him behind him, he had plenty of room to get out. Plenty of room. And he said, "Are you going to watch me out then, pal?" I'm like, "Yeah, all right, mate, no problem, of course I will." And he was just being a bit of a a-hole. As I was walking along the side of his wagon to watch him, because he was reversing onto the main road, he just carried on reversing. I'm like, "Mate, are you going to stop? Do you want me to watch you out or not?" And he just gave me a dirty look and drove off. Honestly, there's just no need for it sometimes. It's got to be here. And that's the other issues we have being a lorry driver. Some people do not change the name above their unit. MPH. PH. Packaging. February. Directions. It's telling me it's behind me. What? Oh. Let's have a look further down here. It's Croydon Business Park. So, best thing to do, call them. Hey, I'm a delivery driver. I'm trying to find your location. I'm parked outside LPP. Yes. Okay, I didn't know because I couldn't find MPH. It's everything. Okay, it doesn't say, on my paperwork it doesn't say that at all, so I've just been struggling trying to find you guys. Yes, I am. I'm literally just outside LPP now. Okay, brilliant. Thank you. I'll be seeing you in 2 minutes. Thank you. Bye. So it's this place here, LPP, but on the paperwork it's MPH. Do you know what? It is what it is. Oh. See you later, mate. I've done that one. SK62. Why does it keep freezing? SK. 250 feet away. Okay. Excuse me, mate. I've got a delivery for you, buddy.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, it's on the, I'm on an Arctic though. All the locations for the first part of the day have been quite close together. I know the last job that I've got, that's going to Ellesmere Port. But these have been fairly close by, which is a bonus, and it's not always like that. Sometimes the locations you get into are horrific, they're awful, but it makes you a better driver. Oh, buddy, I've got one pallet for you. Bradshaw, okay. One more location to go. Stopped at the service station. I need a coffee and the toilet desperately, but as you can tell, everywhere's closed down. So it's a machine coffee, I'm afraid. better than nothing. Coffee acquired. God, I missed that place. Never used to eat a lot at McDonald's, but you know what? You don't miss anything until it's gone. How's things alright?
Ah, not too bad.
Good. Is that you done after this?
Yeah, we close at 3.
Hey?
We close at 3.
No wonder he looked miserable when he f***ing saw me.
He did.
I saw his I saw his jaw going, I was like... Right, buddy.
Alright, you have a nice weekend.
Yes, you too, mate. Thanks for your help. Take care, pal.
Hi Chris.
Hi, bud. You okay, mate?
Yeah, not bad about yourself.
Yeah, good, good. That's me fully unloaded now.
No problem. I'm just in the warehouse, mate, so I'll just get through to the guys on transport. Ask them to give you a call.
Okay, pal. Thanks, mate.
No problem. Thanks, mate.
See you in a bit. Bye. This company I'm working for, NEP, they are really good. Really, really good. I actually really enjoy working for them. Brilliant trucks, powerful, clean, you know, it's really good. I've worked at some places in the past and they're not the best. Trucks falling apart, trailers just not good. No straps to strap anything down, where this company's spot on, really good place to work for. What I'm doing now, I'm going to wait for another call back to see whether there's anything to pick up. It's bank holiday tomorrow, so I'm not working tomorrow. To that end, I can edit this tonight and I'm going to get this out for you guys tomorrow at 1300. Fingers crossed. But anyway, guys, I need to charge this battery up. I'm not doing the same as what I did before. I have tried to keep them charged and it is working, but it doesn't last that long. The GoPro batteries are not the best. So what I've done, I've turned off certain things on the GoPro to make it last a bit longer. I had a message from one of somebody who watched my videos saying, how do you make it last so long? So I mean, I turned off the connectivity so it doesn't connect to my phone or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The little red flashing light that tells you when you're filming, I've turned that off, and it just makes the battery last that little bit longer, but it still runs out. So guys, back at the yard now, and let's see what they want me to do with this trailer. Where does this go, mate? Where's it going after this?
One of them days again outside.
Cool.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left.